Hi guys, so in today's short quick video I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat memories. First thing guys, open the settings and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager right here, you will find all the apps as you can see. So all what you wanna do is very simple. Scroll until you find Snapchat and click on it. Now right here click on full stop and then go here to the data usage. Make sure that all these options here are enabled. Go back again, click on the storage, click on clear cache, and now go back to the settings, go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode, and after 3 seconds disable it again. And that's it guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.